This video will show you how to replace the third brake light on a Ford Transit 350 HD.
What you need is a small, thin screwdriver.
Place your screwdriver on the outer edge of the cover and carefully remove your cover. After that, we want to use a 8mm, or you can use a 5/16 socket with a 1/4 inch ratchet. Carefully remove your bolts, and we do the same on the other side. Then we're going to take a larger screwdriver. We're going to put it on top of the unit, and we're going to pry back. You have a couple clips to release. You have one here and one here that you are actually releasing.
You have two connectors here. We're just going to disconnect. Just going to press in right here with my thumb. Just pull straight out. We're going to do the same with the other one. Just press in, pull it straight out. Here's our new unit, part number and price range. You can't get the wires crossed up because they have two different connectors. Just going to place it back in.
And we'll just pop it in place. Mount back your bolts for each side. Last but least, let's not forget to place back on our covers. That's all it takes to replace your third brake light assembly on your Ford Transit 350 HD. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care. As always, God bless.